Drone shows are coming back to Walt Disney World. Disney is sharing a first look at a test of its new Disney Dreams That Soar drone show, which will run May 24th through September 2nd above Disney Springs at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. Now, since the show is at Disney Springs, that means it'll be free for the public to watch. More than 800 drones will fly in the sky to form familiar Disney characters and other scenes during the 9-minute production. It'll play twice nightly and feature a new original song.